Hi everybody, it's me, Mila Rose, and I'm back for another video. We are going to do some cash stuffing and a little bit of just cash dividing, putting this money where it's supposed to go. And this is going to be from my second account for my June budget. So we got a lot of things going on here. If you enjoy videos about designing a life you love, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'll see you all in just 1 second. Okay, so we got a couple of things going on here. Number one, we got to get the 55 for business. So we're going to go ahead and just do 20, 20, and a 5. And we're going to go ahead and put that, I already put its folder away. Forgot I have to get that out. You're going to hear rumble, rumble in the background for just a second. While I get that. Okay, budget income. Alrighty, here we go. Oop. And then okay. And then that one's done. So let's do a check here. 282. Actually, let's do these. Let's do student loans gets. I don't know if my student loans folder is out anymore. It must be. Here it is, right here. Gets 20. And this time we're going to remember to make our. So this is. And student loans. Alright, and let's figure out how much we have in student loans. We just put a little bit in, so 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 101, 2, 3, plus 20. Ooh, that's nice. So 20, 40, 60, oopsie, make sure I got this right. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, yay! 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23. 123 for student loans. Okay. And then okay, and then we have, so we've done our 20. New car gets 5. Let's see how much we have going on in new car. Ooh, I did something with that one. It's over here. Okay, I was gonna say, ooh, I remember that because I'm supposed to be making this one. New car finally has an envelope because we bought our rollerblades. So new car has an envelope. So 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33. It gets a 5. So that's 20, 25, 20, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38. So we're at 38 for a new car. Slow and steady. 38. Okay. Check. Car emergencies is getting 10. No. Yeah, car emergencies gets 10. So that's 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 10, 20, 25, 26, 26, 126. I think I am going to go ahead and switch these two 10s for a 20. 126 for car emergencies. And then sinking funds, which we don't add to, so I just need to make sure that this equals 282. So 20, 40, 60, 81. 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 100, 101, 102. 282. Wait. No, that's not right. Is that 100? Oh, wait a minute. Let's count this again just to make sure. Okay, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82. Okay, we should have 82 left. 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Wait, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Okay, yeah, so we're off a little bit somewhere. Let's figure out where we put 50. No, we put 45, didn't we? Into our budget income. Yeah, we put 45, so we're missing a 10. 55, there we go. Okay, so I think that's where we messed up. Okay. Alright. Now let's count that. So that's now 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82. 282. Perfect. Alrighty, so now I will see you all in just a little bit. We are going to do our sinking funds. So that is it for making sure that our money is where it needs to be. And then next up, sinking funds for the month of June. Hope you're having a great day. I'll see y'all later. Bye-bye.